Hi my friends, welcome to a new video. Today we'll learn about the gradient. The gradient tool is very useful in Gimp. You'll use it a lot and as I said, it's very useful. Let's see a little bit. If you don't have the toolbox and the layers in here, I'll close them a little bit. You just go in here to views, to window, and here you have the layers, and then you just go in here, new toolbox, and you have the toolbox in here. Okay, now we have the gradient tool. Just double click in here and just keep control and drag like that, and this is the gradient. Okay, now if we want something more special than that, we have different shapes. For example, I can make it conical, I can make it square, it's very interesting, or I can make it linear. And if I want to make some changes, for example, I want to move it like this or something like this, I can play a little bit. This is good for me, this is what I want, so I will leave it like that. Okay, and now let's go a little bit farther and do something else, more complicated, let's say. I want to put a gradient image over this image, this beautiful lady, this beautiful woman. So I will duplicate this layer. So we have right now two layers, and I will make it this one. I will give it a color to see a little bit the difference. Okay, now we have two layers and like that, and we want, for example, we go to the gradient, double click in here, and I want to use this one. This is what I want, so I will leave it like that and keep control and just drag like this. Okay, and right now I will go into this picture and I will decrease the opacity. Okay, now we have a total different picture. What's even more beautiful, we can play a little bit with this and we can make different shapes. Let's see a little bit. I want a square, and let's say not like that, but like that. This is what I want. Okay, and to see a little bit the difference, if I go, it's like that and it's like that if I put the gradient. So you can play with the picture and make it one more special and more as you like it. So this was the lesson about the gradient. Thank you for joining me for this video and hope to see you soon. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and as I said, see you soon. Bye.